This is Todd Project with FinPan, a certified installer for FinPan products. Today we are installing a custom zero-entry ProPan with 4 recessed lights in the pan and a linear drain against the back wall. The pan will be built in 2 sections, one subfloor so the lights can be mounted, then the top part is the ProPan itself, in which we cut channels into the bottom of the ProPan for the conduit to run. Step 1 will be setting the plywood base of the ProPan to the concrete subfloor. Step 2 will be setting the ProPan in a modified bed of mortar, aligning it with the 4 recessed lights and the linear drain. And then step 3 would be installing all the Pro panels on the walls using Sikaflex in all of my joints. Goes where, like this. Okay. This is Todd Project saying that this is very economical, very fast, simple tile solutions for a complicated install. Normally this install would have taken 2.5 days to do between the liner, the sand mix, rodding off the shower floor, waterproofing, and in this application we did the subfloor, we did the pro panel, we did the ProPan all in one day, and before the end of the day we'll be able to set the tile on the floor, cut around the drain and the lights, and then tomorrow morning we will be able to immediately start setting tile on the walls. So as far as time goes, it halved my time, if not more. The other advantage of the Pro Panel is that we have got quite the walk from the truck to where the job is located in the basement of this house. And we were able to carry all of our Pro Panels in a matter of 20 minutes versus an hour and a half it would have taken to carry 1 1/2-inch sheet of Utilicrete in. For further information about FinPan products, go to www.finpan.com. Thank you for joining me.